In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a timesheet in Notion. We'll build a clean, practical timesheet that tracks tasks, start and end times, calculates hours automatically, and lets you clock in and out with a single click. Start by creating a new page in Notion. On that blank page, type /table to insert an inline table view database. Give the database a clear name like timesheet, so it's easy to find later. In the first column, Notion calls it name by default. Click to rename it to task. This will be where you type what you worked on. You can remove the default tags property since we won't use it in this setup. Next, add your time tracking properties. Create a new property, choose the date type, and rename it to start time. Duplicate this property so you don't have to reconfigure it. Then rename the copy to end time. If you want to track precise hours and minutes, open the date property settings for each of these and enable include time. If you prefer just dates, you can leave that off. But most timesheets benefit from the exact time. Now, let's calculate the hours automatically. Add a new property and set its type to formula. Rename it to hours. In the formula editor, enter this: date between prop and time, prop start time. Hours. This will return the duration in whole hours between your end and start times. If you prefer decimal hours, like 1.5 hours for 90 minutes, use minutes and divide by 60 instead. Date between prop and time. Prop start time, minutes per second xti. That gives you a precise decimal value you can total or average later. Keep in mind, if start time or end time is blank, the hours formula won't show a value. And if end time is earlier than start time, the result will be negative. So set them in the right order. To make tracking effortless, add automation buttons. Create a new button property and name it Clock In. Configure it to edit properties in this page and set start time to now. Then add a second button property named Clock Out and set end time to now. These buttons let you punch in at the start of your work and punch out when you are done. If you click a button again, it will overwrite the previous timestamp. So use them intentionally. That's it, your Notion timesheet is ready. Add tasks, clock in and out, and watch the hours field update automatically. Thanks for watching.